Guys, it's me, Brandon, and as you know, here in Staten Island, there's a blizzard happening. You literally can't see. You cannot see anything. My balcony is covered in snow.
Is covered in snow.
It's so. Look at that. As you know, a blizzard is happening. Like it's not gonna end.
But it's gonna
until
end in 1 o'clock.
Exactly.
1 o'clock. I said 1
Look
o'clock.
at this. Look at that. It's weird. It's weird. Look. In my room, I think there's a... Look at that! Snow all over my window. I can't even look out there. You guys can't even see. I'm gonna try and zoom you in so you can see better. Could you see better? Alright, they can see better.
Well, I can see better because it's a blizzard outside.
Exactly. And it's still happening. Still.
I'm gonna play my song.
Still happening. Devin, I said later. Alright, guys, I just want to tell all that to you. A blizzard's happening in Staten Island, probably Brooklyn, probably Manhattan, probably everywhere. So, guys, I'll see you. 3, 2, ba-doop. Devin, say bye.